Did I just find a little wig that you can just really pop on? It's not often you find a wig that you can just pop on. It popped right on. Look at this scalp. Y'all, I really did nothing but put a little bit of makeup on. She is a really glueless. This is
Link in description.
Okay, it's supposed to be a pop on and go type wig. It's a bob. I think you can do a middle part, and I also think you can do a side part of this. It's supposed to be a pop on and go. A pop on and go. This is what it looks like in the packaging. It's a Synthetica. Forgot to tell you that. It is a Synthetica, which I don't mind if it's a good one, honestly, because I don't keep my wigs on long enough, no way. The little bra strap adjustment in the back, meaning you can adjust the hooks, if you can see that. It has an elastic band that is removable, and it has 2 combs. No makeup, no nothing. We're going down raw. Let's see. I've never had a wig that I could just pop on my head. I don't know why I keep trying at this point. It's actually not bad though. Again, I don't mind that if it does right. I don't mind that it's synthetic. It does have that shine. It does have the shine. The part is throwing me off because I never put my parts on that side. It's a good cut. A little good little pluck. I'm going to slide my little headband thing back just a little bit more. Fresh out the pack. Fresh out the box. Stop, look and watch. Ready, yet, get set. It's all that. The shine, I am a little mad at. But a little bit of makeup. Do I have makeup in here with me? I don't have makeup in here with me. A little bit of makeup or a little bit of blending. Oh, can you do a middle part with this? You can't do a middle part. Okay, I'm gonna leave it on the side because that's where it came. And I'm always doing my part to one side. Let me grab a little bit of makeup because I'm not mad at this. Can you be glueless? Give me a sec, baby. Did I just find a little wig that you can just really pop on? It's not often you find a wig that you can just pop on. This might be one. Let me see. Oh, bitch. Oh, bitch. Hold on. Hold up. Is this really just a pop on and go wig? It's giving a pop on and go wig. Seriously. Like, y'all see me take it out the box? I ain't faking. Is this a pop on and go? Can you pop this and go? See, this is why I fuck with synthetic hair. Some of y'all be too bougie for synthetic hair. I like synthetic hair because how it comes is how it's gonna stay until it starts napping up, which is usually quick, but at least I feel the snugness. It's not tight, but it is a little snuggy. I don't mind. That lets me know it won't be flying off in the wind. Oh, she popped on. She popped right the fuck on. Oh, she popped up. She popped the fuck on. Ah! Yes, ma'am. I love when a wig do what it said it's gonna do. Is she a Synthetica? I already told you yes. I need her to drop down a little bit more in my face. And if I put a little bit of heat to her, just a little bit of heat to make sure my bump is bumping. Listen, when you don't feel like doing your hair, this is a perfect little pop on and go. Because it took me 5 minutes. It took me 5 fucking minutes. 5 minutes to get my hair like this. It maybe not even that. Look at the back. The back look crazy. I don't know. I'm hoping it don't. If so, I can fix it. Is it bobbing? Is it bobbing? Is it bobbing? Is it? It feel like it is. From the front it is. I've been told y'all I don't give a fuck what the back look like. I can't see back there. I ain't have to pluck shit. I ain't have to glue shit. I ain't have to cut shit. I ain't have to measure shit. She's synthetic. So what? Huh? So if you want a bob, but you don't feel like sitting down and nobody chill, you don't feel like paying nobody, but you really ain't the best when it comes to doing hair or really know what the fuck to do, like you watch tutorials but you don't really know what you're supposed to be doing, this link is for you. All I did was took it out the box, put some matching foundation on it, and combed it. Look at this. Tell me that somebody